Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto chicken pot pie. I've got my apron on. Now let's make this keto chicken pot pie. We're going to start with a big skillet, and I'm going to add some avocado oil, about a tablespoon. I'm going to heat it over about medium heat, and I've got chopped up, and I like to chop my vegetables in a food processor just so they cook a lot faster. I've got chopped up carrots, onion, celery, and garlic in here. So it's about a cup of chopped celery and carrot, and then a half of an onion and 2 cloves of garlic. These are going to cook so much more quickly and get soft. Definitely want to season your vegetables with salt and pepper. Now we're going to let these cook for about 5 minutes until they're translucent. The protein for our chicken pot pie is boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I've cut into smaller bite-sized pieces. You could also use chicken breasts. So I'm going to add these to the pan. I'm going to let these cook for about 8 or so minutes. I'm going to add some fresh thyme just because I have some on hand and I think it'll be really, really nice in our chicken pot pie. That smells so good. The chicken is just about cooked, so I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of xanthan gum. I'm just going to sprinkle it all around. This will thicken our sauce. Now I've got a cup of chicken broth, and I'm going to add a cup of heavy cream. Let's get that all worked in. We're going to bring this up to a simmer and get that xanthan gum activated. And while that's simmering, I'm going to make the topping for our chicken pot pie. So let's move this over. We're going to start with 1.5 cups of almond flour, and I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Let's mix our dry ingredients and make sure our baking powder doesn't have any clumps. Now 3 beaten eggs and half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. So I transferred the filling from the heavy big pot to a casserole dish, and now we're going to evenly distribute the topping over top. I like to do that with a scoop. I just think it makes it so much easier, and you don't have to fill the scoop all of the way. Just dollop the topping mixture on top. Okay, this is going to bake in a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. The topping is going to expand and it's going to be delicious. Amazing. Oh my goodness, look at this chicken pot pie. It looks amazing. Let's dive in. This looks so good. I gotta get a bite of chicken, some biscuit. That looks amazing. That is so good. I'm telling you right now, no one's gonna know it's keto. You've got to try this recipe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.